So,
today we're going to make meat sauce. Ready?
cute.
1 24-ounce marinara, 2 sweet mini peppers, 1/3 cup diced onion, red and yellow, 2 cloves, minced garlic, 14-ounce Italian style stewed tomatoes that are drained, 1 tablespoon fresh chopped basil, 1 teaspoon fresh chopped thyme.
Alright, you guys ready to make meat sauce?
Yes.
Look.
Okay. You forgot these two.
I think Kenley said peppers.
Yeah, I did. Okay.
Just squeeze all that stuff out of there onto the cutting board.
Ew.
Yeah, right there.
It's disgusting. Sounds disgusting. Ew. I'm
Squeeze.
not doing it.
Why, Liz? Just sausage.
Look, off the other end.
So the end I cut that in.
Oh, no.
You squeeze it out that way.
It's kind of satisfying.
It's kind of satisfying.
Yes.
Well, that's good, I guess.
Squeezing the sausage. Though I've never done it before. This is good. Pretty gross. Looks like kind of like snot, but like not green.
Lovely.
But doesn't look too good. Snot that has like vegetables in it.
Veggie snot? Okay. Let's wash our hands off a bit.
Yes. I don't need to wash mine.
Yes, you do.
It's clean. Okay. Good. Okay.
Okay.
This looks disgusting right now.
That's alright. Looks like a bunch of meat.
It's gonna be good in the meat sauce.
Yep. So we got our meat. Now we need to cook it.
Okay. That pan?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So we're going to turn this on to high heat. Medium high heat. Medium high heat.
And then we'll go to take these onions off.
No. Wait for the onions. We're going to do one thing at a time. Okay, let's put the meat in so we can keep this chain moving.
Ooh. Yeah, they are tight. Ooh. Ready to go swimming.
It's supposed to be a challenge.
You can if you want to.
Well, then you're disqualified from the onion challenge. So far, so good. No tears over here.
I don't know.
Now the real test.
No, I already
Big
failed.
Whitey here.
Big Whitey. Tell him put your ski goggles on.
No, I want to see if I can make it. I've never made it before. Uh-oh. It's already starting. Peppers.
Vegan pie. Ooh,
Who wants to
nice.
cut the peppers?
I know want to cut the pepper. I do.
Alright, you can do this one.
Yeah.
Okay. Careful.
So she just cuts it like this big?
That's fine. Why don't you get up on your knees more? It's easier to cut when you're cutting down. What? What?
It's good.
Closer.
I know how.
Watch your fingers. Saute for 15 minutes on medium. Seems like a long time, but okay. And waiting for that, let's cut up some fresh herbs. Some basil. I like basil.
And time.
Thyme.
Let's cut up a cloth. Time.
Trick to basil is you roll it in your hand first.
Like your fingers.
Boom. Time. I have no idea what you're supposed to do with it.
Have them pull the leaves off.
Oh.
Ooh.
Hold on, please.
There you go.
Add marinara and turn to low and cover with a cracked lid for 15 minutes, stirring every 5 minutes. Sauce should thicken and look like pizza sauce.
Okay. So how much do we need?
Half.
Nice.
Silly mama. Once the tomatoes are in, go and set a timer for 15 minutes. Yep, on medium heat. What should we do?
And then what? What does it say afterwards? So we can plan ahead.
Then add marinara and turn to low and cover with a cracked lid for 15 minutes, stirring every 5 minutes.
Okay.
And then that's
So
all.
we got our marinara.
Marinara.
Can you find me a lid? Yep.
Now add the
Take that.
sausages back in.
Spoon.
Add the sausages.
Add the sauce.
Looks so good now. We always make sauce.
Alright.
Now we stir them together
Even.
for the marinara. For the whole
Both hands.
thing.
Both hands. Okay. Yeah. For the whole thing.
Ew.
Oh yeah.
Well, marinara.
Right on. Mix it up. Yeah, we're good at herbs.
Do the herbs later.
Oh, they gotta simmer in there. Get all the goodness. timer for 15 minutes.
So serious.
We're gonna set a timer for 15 minutes. Simmer this with a crack pot.
Cracked pot?
Crack lid on the pot, you know what I mean. Crack pot. And that's it. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Right? Oh, we can use this in lasagna.
Yeah.
We could eat it with just pasta. We could eat it on toast.
You could eat it off your shirt like
We
me.
can eat it off your shirt like Kinley. We can eat it with
Pizza?
Pizza?
Make it pizza?
We can eat it with whatever Italians eat. Whatever else. That's it.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Ew.